Hello everybody, Bennett to Bennett. So today, welcome to my recycling and storytelling project. So it's made for treasure hacks. Let's start. Made by me, Saachi. Let's go. So it's recycling and storytelling. It's made and fun and easy. So my future ideas are to make an app for a quiz and MADLIB story generation and more details on recycling ideas. Python concepts used. I used loops, input and output conditions like functions, and import colorama and random libraries and random module to create random values or make random choices, variables to store data, and functions blocks of code that perform on specific tasks and can be reused. So let's go. Let's play my project. Let's start. So welcome to the recycling game. Identify which items are recyclable and which are not. Type quit to exit the game. We will recycle. And broken glass. Broken glasses. You should put it in the trash. It can hurt you if you recycle it. And glass bottle we can recycle. And plastic bottle we will recycle. We will recycle it. And plastic bag. Plastic bag we will. Let's see, what should we do with a plastic bag? We will recycle it. So now let's create a recycling theme story. Let's start. Enter a word related to recycling or the environment. So if you want to see the options, here are the options. So let us have brave or happy. Let's have happy. Happy. Adjective, happy. Noun, let's make it a princess. And a verb, let us see, shall we put her in the swim? We can make her at the dance in her castle. So let's start. Dance and place. She's at the castle. So in a far off land there was a prince. There was a princess who dreamed of dance. There was a princess who dreamed of dancing in the princess. There was a castle who dreamed of dancing the princess. It was a funny. So, hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more. Bye.